Hello everyone, I am Mayank and welcome to Simplilearn. Today, we will take you through the hands-off lab demo of how you can implement loan approval prediction using Python. Before we start, I hope the screen is clearly visible and the audio is fine. If yes, please type in yes. If there are any issues, do let us know in the chat section so that we can resolve them. I'm repeating again. Before we start, I hope the screen is clearly visible and the audio is fine. If yes, please type in yes. If there are any issues, do let us know in the chat section so that we can resolve them. Let's wait for some more minutes to let other people join. Until then, let me tell you guys that we have regular updates on multiple technologies. If you are a tech geek in a continuous hunt for the latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and press that bell icon to never miss any update from Simplilearn. I'm repeating again. Let me tell you guys that we have regular updates on multiple technologies. If you are a tech geek in a continuous hunt for the latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and press that bell icon to never miss any update from Simplilearn. Great, I think we can get started. In today's session, we will go through what is loan prediction system. After that, we will move on to the hands-off lab demo to perform loan approvals prediction system. Moving forward, we will be using different classification algorithms to implement loan approval prediction system. We already have a loan approval dataset with us. We will perform different function and libraries using Python. You can download this dataset from the description box below. Before we move on to the programming part, let's discuss what is loan prediction system first and proceed further for the same. A mechanism called loan prediction system gives you a way to apply for loans and receive notification when they are approved. In accordance with the data provided by the applicant, the system notifies the applicant of the loans available. So here is one question for you guys. I will give you 1 minute for this. You can comment or you can give your answer in the chat section so I can see if the answer given by you are right or wrong. I'm repeating again. So here is one question for you. I will give you 1 minute for this. You can comment or you can give your answer in the chat section so I can see if the answers given by you are right or wrong. So the question is, which keyword is used for function in Python language? Option 1, Python. Option 2, def. Option C, func. Option D, define. So let us know your answer in the comment section below. Okay. So I am starting off timer 1 minute. Type your answer in the comment section or in the chat section. Do let me know your answers, please. I kindly ask that everyone take part in this to make this live session exciting. So, I'm starting the timer of 1 minute. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? Option 1, function. Option 2, def. Option C, func. Option D, define. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? 47 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. Let us know your answer in the comment section below. This is the easy one. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? Function, def, func, or define? I kindly ask that everyone take part in this to make this exciting. 5 seconds more. Yeah. After that, allotted time has passed. Those who provided the correct response will receive a response, and those who provided the incorrect response will receive one. So now let's move to our programming part to implement loan approval prediction system. So first we will open a command prompt to write a command to open Jupyter Notebook. So here we will write Jupyter Notebook. Press enter. So this is the landing page of Jupyter Notebook, and here you have to select new Python 3 file. So this is how the Jupyter Notebook UI looks like. So at first we will import some major libraries of Python which will help us creating a loan approval prediction system. So here I will write import numpy as NP. So NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It also has a function for working in domain of linear algebra and matrices. It is an open source project and you can use it freely. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. And the second one is port pandas as PD. Panda is a software library written for the Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. In particular, it offers data structure and operations for manipulating numerical tables and time series. And the third one is import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So matplotlib Python scripts can be used to create 2D graphs and plots using the matplotlib module with features to control line styles, font attributes, formatting access, and other features. It offers a module called pyplot that makes things simple for plotting. So the fourth one is import cborn as SNS. So cborn, an open source Python library based on matplotlib, is called cborn. It is utilized for data exploration and data visualization. With data frames and the pandas library, cborn functioned with ease. So there is one more like from sklearn port svm. So after importing libraries, let's move forward and import dataset. So df equals to pd dot read underscore csv phone dot csv. You can download this dataset from the description box below. So yeah. So dataset is imported. Let's see our dataset. So we will write df dot head here. Yeah. So here you can see we have dataset of top 5 rows. So basically head is used for showing first 5 rows of the dataset. If we will use tail instead of head, so it will show the last 5 rows of the dataset. So let's move forward and use info function to see the information about the dataset. Okay, so here we will write df.info. So the data frame information is printed via the info method. The data includes the total number of columns, their labels, data kinds, memory use, range index, and the number of cells in each column. That is non-null values. Note that the info method does indeed print the information. Okay, so here you can see loan ID is object, then this applicant income is int64, then co-applicant income is float. So non-null values like this. So we know all the column names, data types, and information. Let's move forward and see missing values in the dataset. So for that we will use, here I will write df dot is null, then braces dot sum. Yeah, is null dot sum. The dataset total number of missing values is returned via sum. Skip rows in the dataset that have missing values as a straightforward solution for the missing value data. So we have missing values in loan ID is 0, gender is 13, then loan amount is 22, self-employed is 32. So I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any questions or any query regarding any code, so just put as in comments. Our team will shortly provide you the correct solution. I'm repeating again. I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any questions or any query regarding any code or any question related to Python, just put as in comments. Our team will shortly provide you the correct solution. Moving forward, we will create one more column, that is loan amount log, using loan amount detail, and then we will display a histogram for that. Okay. So let me do first. For the better view, I can do this. Yeah, I will write here df loan amount underscore log. Yeah, equals to np dot log df. Now we will do df loan amount underscore log dot hist for the histogram. Then bins I will take 20. Numpy.log, a mathematical function that helps user to calculate natural logarithms of x where x belongs to all the input array elements. You can see histograms. It's looking fine. Let's see the null values in our new column. So I will write here df dot is null dot sum. So here you can see in loan amount log there are 22 missing values. So moving forward, let's create one more column named total income. In this, we will add two columns, applicant income and co-applicant income. And we will display histogram for the same. EF like total income equals to DF applicant income. And we will add one more data frame DF, that is co-applicant F total income underscore log equals to np dot log df total total df total income underscore log dot hist pins equals to 20. Yeah. So here you can see histogram of the total income log. Moving forward, let's fill those null values in all the respective columns. So here for that we will write df gender dot fill na df gender dot mode 0 comma in place equals to true. Then what I will do, I will copy from here, change here gender to married, here also married, and here for self-employed, here I will do self-employed to for dependent, Just everything will be same. So here I will write df dot loan amount was to df dot loan amount dot fill na df dot loan amount dot mean. So here I will write, instead of this I will copy from here and paste it here. Yeah, score log L is small. So here I will write again that we can take it from here. Change column name to loan amount term. Loan amount term. Credit underscore history gain credit underscore history. So here I will write df dot is null sum. Okay, it's what giving error. Sam self-employed. Okay, what the issue is that E is capital. Again, dependent. Okay, okay, it's dependents. Okay, yeah. So there is no missing values now. What we're gonna do is we will select some specific columns and rows for the training and testing. So for that, I will write here x equals to dot ilog dot r in colon 11 comma 13 colon 15. Okay. Dot values y equals to df dot ilog then colon comma 12 dot values. Let me see the x values. Okay, so male, no, these are the x values, and let me see the y values. Okay, so the ilog function in Python is defined in the pandas module that helps us to select a specific row or column from the dataset. Using the ilog method in Python, we can easily retrieve any particular value from a row or column by using index values. So moving forward, let's see the percentage of missing genders from the dataset, and we will do it for many other columns. Okay, so if it will be 0, so it will be great for us. So we will write print percent of missing gender is percent to f percent. And we will write this df in gender column dot is null dot sum df dot shape 0 multiply by 100. It is saying function object has no attribute sum. Okay, why? Because here percent of missing gender is 0. Great. So so moving forward, we will see number of people who take loan as a group by gender. Okay. So for that we will write print numbers of people who take loan as group by gender. For that print df gender dot value value counts SNS dot count plot x equals to gender comma data equals to df palette equals to set 1. You can use either set 2 either set 3. So let me see. Okay, so here you can see male is 502, female are 112. You can see the bar plot. So the number of observation in each category bins are displayed using bars. Using the count plot technique, the following parameters are accepted by the procedure and are listed below. This parameter accepts optional variable names for data or vector data, inputs for long form data plotting. So moving forward, we will do for the same number of people who take a loan group by marital status. So what I will do, I will just copy from here and I will change it to here. So I will write marital status and the guys who are married. Here I have to write the 8. So here you can see 401 are yes, and 213 are no. Okay. So moving forward, we will see number of people who take loan group by dependents. So same what I will do, I will paste it here. I will just change the name here. Dependents. Change it to here. So here you can see the dependents and the Y label is the count. So 0 are 360, 102, 101 and 51 and many more. So moving forward, we will see number of people who take loan group as a self-employed. Okay. For that, what we have to do is we have to just change the names. E is capital here. Okay, let's see the graph. So moving forward, we will see number of people who take loan group by loan amount. For that, I have to write here. Wait, let me make a better visibility. Yeah. So as a loan amount is capital. Yeah. Here you can see bar graph. So at the end, we will see the number of people who take loan group by credit history. Okay. So I will write here same as the credit history, credit history, free, credit underscore history. Okay. Yeah. So here you can see 525 and this 89. So based on my assessment, we don't have any missing values in the dataset now. So moving forward, let's import scikit-learn library for training and testing dataset. So here I will write from sklearn.model model underscore selection port train underscore test underscore split. So here I will write train comma x test comma y train comma y test. Okay. So here I will write train underscore test underscore split x comma y comma test underscore size equals to 0.2 random state equals to 0 from sklearn dot pre processing processing import label encoder. Okay, so label score x equals to label encoder. Sklearn, sorry, my bad. X is not defined. Here we have So scikit-learn or sklearn is the one of the most robust library for machine learning. It is open source and built upon NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. It provides a range of tools of machine learning and statistical modeling. And train test split function of the sklearn model. Selection package in Python splits arrays or matrices into random subsets for train and test data. And label encoder encode label with a value between 0 and n classes minus 1, where n is the number of distinct label. Moving forward, let's fit and transfer data for training. So here we will write for I in range 0 comma 5 x underscore train comma I equals to label encoder underscore x dot fit transform and x underscore train colon comma I. And x underscore train 7 equals to encoder underscore x dot fit transform and x underscore train 7. Let's see x underscore, oh sorry, underscore train, and yeah, this I. This is capital X. Yeah. Fit transform joins these two steps and is used for the initial fitting of the parameter on the training set, while also returning the transformed X. Internally, the transfer object just calls first fit and then transform on the same data. And we will perform same for the Y. So I will write here label encoder underscore Y equals to label encoder. Okay. Y underscore train equals to label encoder underscore Y dot fit underscore transform we see the results. Yeah. So training of the data set is done. Let's do for same for the testing data. So I will write here for I in range 0 comma 5 x underscore test I equals to label coder underscore x dot fit underscore transform x underscore test of I. Then again x underscore test colon comma 7 equals to label encoder underscore dot fit underscore transform underscore test, then colon comma 7. Yeah, then see the results x underscore test. Okay, it seems good. All the values. So we will do for the same y test. So we will write here label encoder. Let me put underscore y equals to label encoder. So y underscore test equals to encoder underscore y dot fit underscore transform y underscore test. Let's see. Okay. Moving forward, we will import standard scalar for the further process. So for that, we will write here from sklearn dot pre-processing import standard scalar. This is equals to, like, we'll assign this standard. I will copy it from here. So x train equals to ss dot fit underscore transform x underscore train. Then x underscore test equals to ss dot fit underscore transform x underscore test. Well, okay, sklearn dot pre-processing. Okay, sklearn pre-processing standard scalar. Okay, sorry. And again, like standard. Okay, er. Yeah. So standard scalar removes the mean and scales each feature variable to unit variance. This operation is performed feature-wise in an independent way. Everything is done. Let's see which classifier is best for prediction by seeing their accuracy. So for that, I will write here. Let me do one thing. Yeah. So like I will write from learn dot ensemble, yeah, import random forest classifier. So I will write if under class clf classifier equals to random forest. Sorry, my bad. So rf underscore clf dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train fine. So I will write here from sklearn import matrix y underscore prediction equals to rf underscore classifier dot predict dot predict x underscore test. So here I will print accuracy of random random forest classifier is comma matrix a dot accuracy score then y underscore prediction comma y underscore test y underscore prediction. So let's see the prediction from the using a random forest classifier and the accuracy. A random forest is a meta estimator that employs averaging to increase predicted accuracy and reduce overfitting. If bootstrap equals to true, the size of the subsample is determined by the max sample argument. Otherwise, each tree is constructed using the entire dataset. So here you can see the accuracy is like 78%, and here prediction you can see like here 1 denotes that loan approved and 0 means loan will not approved. So accuracy is quite less. So let's see for another classification methods naive bayes. So here I will write from sklearn port Gaussian NB naive bayes. Okay, so NB classifier equals to Gaussian NB B underscore classifier equals to sorry dot fit strain comma y train. So a not equals to so like Gaussian. Okay, G is capital. Sorry. Yeah. So let's predict the value y underscore predict equals to NB underscore classifier dot predict x underscore test and print accuracy of naive bayes is comma like matrix dot accuracy score y underscore prediction comma y underscore test. So accuracy of Gaussian NB is 0.8 means 82%. Let's predict the value y predict. The prediction like 1 is like loan approved and 0 is loan or not approved. So naive Bayes is a classification algorithm for binary two classes and multi-classes classification problem. It is called naive Bayes. The calculation of the probabilities for each class are simplified to make their calculation tractable. So the accuracy is 82%. And here prediction you can see 1 denotes loan approved and 0 means loan will not approved. So let's see for another classification method like decision tree classifier. For that, I will write here from sklearn dot tree import decision tree classifier. Here I will write dt underscore classifier equals to, I will copy it from here. I will write here dt underscore clf equals to, no, so dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train y is small. So here I will see the accuracy equals to dt underscore classifier dot predict x underscore test. So here I will print accuracy of decision tree is comma matrix dot accuracy underscore predict comma y underscore test. So here you can see the accuracy is 70%. So let me predict. So decision tree, the non-parametric supervised learning approach used for classification and regression application. It is organized hierarchically as and has a node root, branches, internal nodes, and leaf nodes. So the accuracy is 70%, and here prediction you can see 1 denotes the loan approved and 0 means loan will not approve. So let's do one more classification. We will do it from the k neighbors using k neighbors. So here we will write from sklearn dot neighbors import k neighbors classifier kn classifier. We will assign this. So here we will write kn underscore classifier dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train. Okay, sklearn. Sorry. Then again, okay, it's capital here, capital here. Yeah, it. Yeah. So here I will see the accuracy. Okay. By prediction equals to kn underscore classifier dot predict x underscore test print accuracy of k neighbors is matrix dot accuracy score y underscore prediction comma y underscore test. So let's see the accuracy. So accuracy is 79% and it is quite good. So the k neighbors, the 5 closest neighbors are sought for the k neighbors classifier. The classifier must be explicitly instructed to utilize Euclidean distance to determine the proximity of nearby points. So the accuracy is 79%. And here prediction you can see 1 denotes the loan approved and 0 means loan will not approve. So you can see naive base. Where's naive base? Yeah. So here you can see we have naive based classifier with the best accuracy of 82%. So we can use it for the loan approval prediction system. So I hope you guys understand till here. If you have any questions or any query regarding any code, just put as in comments. Our team will shortly provide you the correct solution. I hope you guys must have understood the concept of how we can implement loan approval prediction system using Python. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section below. Our team will shortly respond to you as soon as possible. And if you want this full code, just comment for the same. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and give a like to this video. Thank you and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.